Do you want to know how to do a perfect skin fade? Just watch the full video. We start with number 1 at the top. I like to start from top to bottom. Make sure the top is even before you go to the sides. Make your guideline with the number 0. Lever close. Open your lever and go up and down to blend the line. Now you're gonna close the lever halfway and you're gonna start blending a little bit lower. Now you're gonna pass the TL liner under the line you make with the number 0. Then pass the shaver below the TL liner line. Make the front shape up with the TL liner. Now, we're gonna use the Nexen shaving gel to moisturize the skin before the razor. Now, with the Nexen razor blade, we're gonna make some sharp lines to make it look fresh for the party Zumba. Now you got a perfect skin fade. Just look at it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And listen, I'm learning English now. So thank you very much to watching the whole video. I make it for you guys. Don't forget, like and subscribe. If you got any questions, just comment below. Alright? Thank you very much. Let's apply the Nexen after shave. And you see me acting all stupid. Bye-bye.